robots are used in space exploration. For example, rovers are used to. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of robots. So you can just try to listen what I am saying. So this video is going to be very simple. So just sit and enjoy the video. Starting with the types of robots, there are some basic types of robots, and also the types of robot that we will be discussing are not typically a book definition or something like that. I'm just trying to make a list of robots which are important to study. There can be other types as well, but I think these four types are important to get started with robotics. So first type is about mobile robots. Second type is robotic arms. Third is aerial robots, and fourth is legged robots. So starting with mobile robots. So in mobile robots, it is a kind of simple robot which has a driving system. Means it has wheels and it can navigate and move in the environment using the driving system. So that's about mobile robots. It's really simple. You may have heard about the differential drive robot, four-wheel drive robot, and many other systems as well. So we can use these types of robots in the warehouse, and also for floor cleaning robots, and also different types of robots as well. It also performs complex tasks and also simple tasks, like it can carry heavy loads and also perform autonomous navigation. For example, we can use these types of robot in autonomous vehicles, and also we can use these types of robot to deliver packages. And the most important point is that these types of robots, that is mobile robots, are used in space exploration. For example, rovers are used to collect samples on space missions and all those things. So by this we can conclude that mobile robots is a very important category, and also very common and very special category to work upon, and also it is very easy to learn. So that was about mobile robots. Now we will move towards robotic arms. So robotic arms are especially used in industries because it has better accuracy and precision, especially for automation lines that can be about car manufacturing, and also for pick and place operations. For example, in a automation line, the robotic arm can just pick and place the boxes. And for car manufacturing or other industrial applications, it can perform welding, painting, and some other types of operations as well. So it depends upon like what kind of operation we want to perform, depending on the application. One important part of robotic arms is that they have a collaborative approach, that is cobots, collaborative robots. So human can interact with the robot to improve the working of the complete robotic arm. So that, for example, a human can just control the robot with a joystick, and the robot can perform the operation accordingly. So that is a better approach to control a robot. And also the robotic arms are used in surgeries, for example, to perform different types of operations that are very critical. That can be eye surgery, or else also some other surgeries which are critical to perform. If you want to learn about the surgical robots, we have a dedicated podcast for that. You can go through that as well. And also, if you don't know about this particular channel, I am Aryan Jaguste, and we build content regarding robotics, AI, and also there are some amazing podcasts on this channel. So subscribe to this channel so that you never miss an update. Moving towards the third type, which is aerial robots. So aerial robots are a kind of UAVs, that is unmanned aerial vehicles, and also drones, which can be controlled by a human being, or also it can be automated. So there are two types which can be controlled using a pilot, and also it can be autopilot as well. So it depends on the task that we want to perform. So for example, drones can be used for different kind of work where the mobile robots or else robotic arms cannot reach. That can be a mountainous environment, or else for photography as well. For simple applications as well, we can use aerial robots. It depends on the industry and the applications. So yeah, there are some heavy duty drones which are used in kind of delivery or else military applications as well, to carry on heavy loads, or else it is also used in emergency situations, for example during floods, or else to rescue people as well. So it has a very good impact on the society. And this category of robots has quadcopters, fixed wing robots, like which can fly using wings like a bird. And also these are cost effective, and yeah, a good category of robots to work upon. The last type of robots are legged robots. You may have heard about the different types of legged robots, that is humanoid or else similar to animal like dog or else cheetah or something like that. So these category of robots are especially used where the mobile robots or the aerial robots are failed to reach, especially for the multi-terrain type of environment. These are robots which are very flexible, which performs or mimics activities similar to the animals and also similar to human beings. There are humanoid robots as well. So these are the legged robots. These can be two-legged robot, that is bipedal, or else the quadruped robot. So these types of robot have mobility and adaptability similar to animals and humans. That depends on the robot as well. But we can define like this so that can differentiate between the types of robots, right? Further, you can explore on many more types of robots as well. And this was about day 5, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.